How's everyone doing on this nice spooky Halloween? Right now I'm showing you this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. This is the top of the line, baby. Super fully loaded with options. Nice white color. What can I say about this car? 51,000 miles in condition. That's a little speck of dirt right there. Yeah, that's some bird poop. Mom, I'll call you back. Beautiful Jeep Grand Cherokee, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, ready to tow whatever you want to tow. Again, this is the Summit series, so this is like the top of the line one. Fully loaded. Those rims, nice brush chrome finish. Tires practically brand new. Wait till you see the interior. Summit comes with a bunch of extra little features like those chrome moldings. The bumper's slightly different. Headlights are very nice. Electronic sensors, front and rear. Hang on 1 second. That hood detail is really nice on the top. Fog lights. This thing's also got it's like for the collision warning, switch lane assist. Check out this interior. It's a nice dark brown. Again, Summit. You got panoramic roof, navigation, all that stuff. This is digital display. Very nice. 51,000 miles. You've also got electronic suspension. You could lower and rise this car as much as you want. You got the nice that Jeep Dodge shifter. It's really nice. I like that. All the goodies in this thing. All the goodies. All the goodies. Oh, spooky. Beautiful truck. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Come check us out. Got a really good price on this. Don't lose out. BuyRightAutoCenter. Peace and love.